Yeah. What's up?
What up?
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, round 3? 4?
I don't know, man.
You
have a surprise for us today? Again?
Yeah. Picking up another Lambo. Finally.
Oh, you're just going to come out and say it?
Yeah. I pissed off all my friends when I sold the last Super G, so...
All of them?
All of them.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, they're all gone.
Yeah.
Notice there's nobody else here.
I know.
It's just me and him.
So what I got coming is a 2011 LP 570 Superleggera. I've always wanted the LP, been wanting it for, ever since I got mine. I had pre-LP, which everyone made fun of me for having that. I don't know why. I thought it was a nice car, but...
Because haters.
Haters gonna hate. But
Yeah.
anyways, I always wanted this one. It's finally coming in. At least we wouldn't have to fly to Houston like we did the
First
last
time,
time.
yeah.
So insert some from that here.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's just pictures.
Yeah,
I'll throw
that's all
some
we
stuff
got.
in.
I don't
Yeah.
even know if we got some video.
That was right
We at
before,
least got
you know.
video of us when we hit like 190
Yeah.
or whatever we did.
Yeah.
Didn't know how to drive E-gear, nothing. Knew nothing about this car, and we literally hop on the highway and hit like 190.
We put the exhaust on it immediately when you got it and it snowed.
Yeah. Oh,
so
yeah.
we're not going to get any snow this time.
I feel like every single time I bought a car, it always like it rains for like weeks after or snow. It's like always bad weather. This may be the one time I actually get a car and now I can drive it in some good weather and enjoy
Yeah.
it. Uh-oh, we get copyright infringement.
You're finally picking up a car when it's nice and warm.
Bro,
It's always cold or raining.
I do feel like that.
I got your gloves again.
How dare you? You come to my house, disrespect my family. Oh, very nice. This is the Torx bit that you need
Oh, that's
to
dope.
take.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you need this for the lug nuts. This actually has titanium lug nuts on it. And they're expensive. I think they're like 20 or 30 bucks each.
Yikes.
So times 20. Look, even this light's nicer.
What's up?
It's a fab speed.
Huh, that's quiet.
The thing is, the cats are built into the headers on these. Yeah, see? Fab speed.
They look good. Oh,
Get rid of the mufflers
yeah.
altogether.
There's your
Backup
camera.
Yeah, my other one just had a plate here underneath. So we have a tradition here that started when I bought the first one 10 years ago, where we always get into the trunk of the car and flip each other off. I don't know how or why it started, but this is it. And Mark always talking how small the trunk is on here.
I mean,
It fits
come on.
me, and I'm 220 pounds and 6'5".
Sure you are. Oh yeah. Don't go. Oh, now it hits different when you're almost 40.
Seats. This has the actual. These are not going to be as comfortable, but that's okay.
Why do I feel like there's more headroom in this one?
I think you just scoot your back. Maybe I wanted these may scoot back more.
Yeah,
I
thinner?
don't know, you know. I don't feel like there's exhaust on here.
It's fixed back, yeah. The carbon.
Yeah.
Back, nice.
We back.
That's right. All right.
This feels bigger too.
Less low speed jerk. I noticed that immediately.
Bro, the
Yeah.
clutches on these are fantastic. Corsa right now. I wonder if it's because it's cold, it's only shifting at 6. Warm it up a little more.
Yeah.
Well, this is that burp
Yeah.
Do some run out on it. Man, the transmission's smoother.
God, that's violent.
Yeah, definitely more power. Feels smoother.
That's violent though when it hits though.
It's been real.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
And
Superleggera round 2.
yeah.
You know, so you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, follow, all that action. Catch us on TikTok at Revving. That's new.
Yeah, as of today.
Yeah.
So you know the drill.
Yes, sir.
Till next time.
Yeah. Revving out.
Flips. Just call it shit high power. Yeah, nothing less than high power. 5-star dishes, food for thought bitches.
Have I redeemed myself now? Look at that guy.
You have indeed. You're finally back in good graces.
That's right. Don't you forget it.
Thug life. Thug life.